If I want to display the value on my screen, I can use the built-in function in Python, print. So if I wanted to print my x, I just say print x. Now I have two ways of actually running this code. I can either come down here to the terminal that's built into VS Code. If you don't see it, it's probably just minimized. You can find it by mousing over this little edge here, waiting for the arrow, and then pulling up. Now that I'm here, I can either run the code by saying Python 3, and then the file. In this case, I called it variables.py. If I enter, we run the code. As we can see, nothing happened, and that's because I forgot to save. So if you notice this little dot in the top on our tab, this indicates we did not save our file. So I'm going to save it real quick by using the shortcut Command S. For all Windows, it's going to be Control S. Now, I'm going to run that command again. Python 3 space variables.py. And we can see our variable is displayed as 1. And that's because we named our variable x, and the x refers to this 1. Cool. If I wanted to print y, I do the same thing. I just say print y. And let's go ahead and print our name as well. Print name. So now that we've declared our variables and we've given them some kind of value, we can call these variables inside our print function and display them to the screen. So remember I said there was two ways we can run this file, one of which is by typing that command in our terminal. There's an easier way where if we go up to the top right corner and hit this play button, it'll also run that code for us. And as we can see, displayed as 1, our x, 2.5, y, and Anthony, that's my name. Cool. So I'm going to leave a couple more comments, and this will actually help break things up and make it easier to read later on. So this is declaring a variable. And down here we have displaying the value. Now, there's another super useful way to use comments, and that's for commenting out things. So say I didn't want to display this data, I could actually comment that out by putting pound signs in front of it. And now when I hit play, we no longer see that output. Now this would be great for our next thing, where we can show how to print multiple statements at once. And we do that just by using the print again. So I'm going to say print. But now I can give print multiple things. So I can tell it to print x, comma, y, comma, name. Now when I hit play, we'll see 1, 2.5, and Anthony all in one line. Next, we can do some basic math. And I'm just going to take our two numbers that we have, our x and our y, and I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to say a is equal to x plus y. And then I just want to print my a. Cool. So I'm going to hit this play button one more time. We get our original print from before and our 3.5. So we took our x, added it to our y, saved it into a new variable a, and then printed that a.